Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hope y'all having a great week. It's still summer, so things are still, a little warm out here, but that's okay. Y'all come on in, grab a cold drink, and let's talk about these tools. Today, we're going to talk about the Bluepoint BLP THC 87. It's an 87-piece Torx and Hex bit socket set. Y'all come on up. So this kit, I'm not sure the price, somewhere around $300-400, brand new, but you can find this on Marketplace, a significant amount. It's a large kit. It contains a lot of different bits. Let's open it up and look at it. See, the bad thing is, I kind of forget I have this thing. You'll see, it's got a lot. It's got pretty much most of what you're going to need. What ends up happening, this kit stays in my cabinet until everything I've got in my box doesn't have what I need in it. And then I come and get this, and usually it's going to be a long bit like this that I'm going to need, because this has got all of my long Torx and hexes in metric and SAE. See, it's got some bigger ones here. I think that's a 55. So it goes up to T60 on my Torx, on the longs. Let's see, on my hexes, it goes up to a 10 millimeter. And what else? Well, I can't see. Here we go. 3/8. Here's my 3/8 hex. It's all not labeled nice and neat. On the smaller stuff, it goes up to a 3/4. I mean, on the shorter, it goes up to a 3/4 and a 19, which is a pretty big old guy. It's got some E-Torx. Let's see, how big does it go on the short Torx? T60 and T55. So, not too bad of a kit. It may not be all inclusive, but man, there is a lot here. And it works out well. I've never broke one. I have heard people that have broke them. This is not the best thing that Snap-on sells. You want the best ones they got. It's those gold colored, and I've got some of them over there that I bought used. I don't know that my Snap-on guy would warranty these if I broke them or not. I hope I don't break them. But anyway, pick one and look at it, something that we can see real well. Get me a rag here and wipe them down. They have been sitting up, and they've been through a few winters here in my garage. And so it get a lot of condensation. So there's probably going to be a few specks of rust on some stuff. Some of it's going to be just topical, some not. So the chrome ain't too bad on them. Understand, these are used. I bought them used. The broaching looks pretty good on them. The machining looks good on them. Everything looks nice and crisp. I mean, they're a solid bunch of sockets. So grab something smaller. Let's not go super small. This is a H5, a 5 millimeter. Let's grab it. I'm wiping it off because, well, everything in here is dirty. I need to take them out and clean them. Uh, Here it is. It's the 5mm again. Broaching and everything is nice on it. It's just a nice solid set. That's all I can say about it. You know, the only bad thing about it is it's a big set and it takes up some room, and to keep it in my box, well, that might be a little aggravating, even though I would probably use it if I did. Maybe I should throw it in one of those 2 drawers that I keep engine building tools in. That way I'll have it just in case I need it. Just look at another socket. This is a 9mm. Just cleaned it off. Again, chrome looks pretty decent. The broaching looks nice in there. And looks like the hex on this is pretty decent. So, you know, this is a good kit. If you can find this thing used, it's a good kit for you to get. Nice and handy. It's the BLP THC 87 piece Torx and Hex bit socket set. Like I said, nice little set to pick up. Bluepoint, there's some pretty good tools. You know, I don't know if they're made in a factory owned by Snap-on or what, but these are made in Taiwan, but there's still some pretty decent quality stuff. So I hope y'all liked that video. It was just a simple overview of this kit. Like I said, decent kit. It's good to have around. I pull it out every now and then when, you know, I'm working on something weird. I think I told you in another video, I usually only need stuff out of this cabinet or out of this box when I'm working on something a little different, right? Every now and then there might be something in here I need that, you know, I could probably throw in the box, and then I try to figure out where's the best place to put it. I appreciate y'all tuning in and watching me. If you don't mind, click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to me if you haven't already, and share me with your friends. I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all take care of yourselves and have a blessed week.